Welcome back everyone to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be taking a look at something very special in the form of this 1955 Jaguar XK140 MC fixed head coupe. This one is finished in black over a beautiful saddle brown leather interior, piped green. It is exceptionally well done. Obviously it's been restored and always in good ownership. We are going to hop in, take it for a drive, and tell you all about it. All right, here we are in the XK140. We'll go ahead and fire it up. Key on, this is a cold start. Set the choke and then just push button. Starts up very well. Idle will come down as we warm it up. As you can see, oil pressure is phenomenal. We have about a quarter tank. Jag is charging. The tachometer works, and as we'll show you, the speedo works as well. We will go ahead, throw it in gear, get a little temperature in it, and we'll be back with you shortly. All right, we are cruising along in the Jag. We have some water temperature now, and as you can see, the car is just beautiful. The interior is gorgeous, matches the exterior perfectly. The beautiful wood dash with leather top. The seats are beautifully trimmed. The green piping is fantastic and matches the green sheepskin carpets. It really is a wonderful looking car, and drives exceptional as well. The split windscreen is classic Jag styling, and it really is nice to be in a 140 as opposed to a 120 because you get significantly more leg room and you can actually fit. Beyond just the size, the 140s drive significantly better than the 120s too. The road holding is dramatically improved due to the addition of rack and pinion steering, as well as telescopic dampeners and improved steering geometry. The 140 is powered by a 3.4 liter inline 6 with twin SU carburetors, revs extremely smoothly. The exhaust note is fantastic. There's nothing like an inline 6. It really sounds wonderful. Car tracks straight, it brakes straight, as you can see. Clutch feels very nice. Goes into and out of gear beautifully. Really is a very nice car. As you can see, twin ashtrays up top, a little throwback to the 50s. This car is a true MC. It began life as an MC, obviously still is. MC obviously includes the improved cylinder heads. You are making about an additional 20 horsepower. This car makes 210 as opposed to a standard 140 making 190. So we will pull over up here, do a couple flybys, and we'll be back to you. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed those flybys. I certainly did. I think the 140 sounds really fantastic under throttle, inside and out. Pulls exceptionally well, which we'll demonstrate on the farm road up here. But overall, this is a extremely nice car, a rare car, being an original MC, and one that we are pleased to present. It has been in long-term California ownership with a good client of ours who we've been lucky enough to do repeat business with. We are very excited to offer this car for the taking. This 140 also has a few choice upgrades, including but not limited to this Kenwood Bluetooth system, so you can link it to your iPhone or Android, whatever you have, and listen to your music. These speakers are on the rear parcel shelf. It has also been upgraded with Wellwood front disc brakes, so it stops on a dime. And finally, it has an aluminum radiator with an electric fan, switches below to help keep the engine cool on these hot days. As you can see, the temperatures and pressures are absolutely perfect. So we're going to run it up the farm road here and show you how it does at speed. All right, we're going to run through the gears here. That's first, into second, shifts very smoothly. Up into third. And finally back into fourth, where you can sit comfortably all day long at speed in British touring luxury. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and we will see you in the next one.